Alright, so I got that side done. Now we gotta figure out this. Alright, looks like a 13/16 to do that, which is nice. That's too big. That's too funny. Yeah, it's a 13/16 here, but 20, sorry, 18 on the other side. That's goofy. That's goofy. I think I'm going the right way, anyway. Alright, there goes that one. Dude, that new piece is gonna look pretty. Alright, I'm gonna set the camera here, and that should give you what we do down range. Down range. Show the light over there. So this Hitachi light's pretty nice. Alright. Let's see here. Alright, now what we had to do to get this bolt out right here, had to lower the spring so I could pull it out that way. So, make a note of that. That's going to look so much better. Alright, put some more ASCs in this bolt. Yeah, so I was talking to Bear, and the weight difference in this Panhardbar, sorry, compared to the stock stamped one is incredible. Just the rigidity. I'm expecting a lot less flex when it comes to takeoff at the racetrack, so we'll see how it does. It should be pretty neat. I'm going to jack up the car a little bit. That helps. Area. pretty good. Take a hammer, cap it in there. There we go. Sometimes it's got to use a little pressure. Emphasis on little. Yeah, I'm definitely expecting to see some performance benefits from this. It'll be interesting to see how it works. And of course, we'll keep you guys updated on that. So hope to get to the speed world here in a couple weeks. Oh, did you see that? That's going to be a good blooper. Wow. Just barely missed the head. I felt the pelvic come across gently. Yeah. Runs it off, no good. I should be using a 6 point, not a 12 point. There we go. My bad. Oh, hit my hand. But this will only take a little bit of grease. Wow. I got some of my beard stuck in the right here on the, whatever this is. Look at that. Wow. I felt that come out. That's cool. Either this is out of grease or a lot's going in. Yeah, okay. I guess there's just a lot of room for grease. Alright, get on that side. Doesn't really take a whole lot, so came over that one. Then with oil changes, or probably won't need a lot back here, but anywho. Alrighty, well thanks for joining us for this little adventure. That was pretty easy, I thought, really. So, I mean, it looks a lot nicer, that's for sure. So, definitely a cleaner look there. Good quality parts, it looks like, so far. So, and it seems like it should be a lot stronger than that stamped original equipment, which, you know, didn't ride bad for a 22-year-old car, but I'm really guessing this is going to ride much better. We'll find out. Thanks so much for sticking with us. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please consider doing that. Thanks for watching.